Imagine stepping into your garden and seeing vibrant blooms that stay fresh for weeks. Sounds like a dream, right? But with the right flowers, you can turn that dream into reality. In this video, we're diving into the best long-lasting flowers that keep your garden bursting with color for an extended time. Let's get started. Orchids are not just beautiful, they're also known for their ability to thrive in various climates, with blooms that can last for months. Flamingo lilies are incredibly resilient, making them a great choice for both indoor spaces and shaded gardens. Plus, their bold waxy flowers add a striking touch to any space. Sugar bushes might not be the longest living flowers, but they can easily bloom for 2 to 4 weeks with proper care. Bird of paradise flowers are famous for their bright orange and blue petals, resembling birds in flight. The best part, they're long-lasting, so you'll get to enjoy their beauty for weeks. Crown of thorns is a tough succulent that doesn't need much water, but what really stands out is its stunning red flowers that stick around for a long time. Peruvian lilies, also known as alstroemeria, are not true lilies, but come in an array of colors like pink, orange, red, yellow, white, and purple. They also make excellent long-lasting cut flowers. Camellias have nearly 220 species, most of which bloom for an extended period. They thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, adding elegance to any garden. Peonies are classic garden favorites, with large fragrant blooms in white, pink, red, purple, and yellow. They bloom in late spring and can last for decades. Chrysanthemums bloom in late summer and fall, just when most other flowers start fading. They require little maintenance, making them ideal for beginners. Torch lilies, also called red-hot pokers, have fiery spikes that attract hummingbirds. These vibrant flowers last for a long time, bringing energy to your garden. Dahlias, part of the sunflower and daisy family, are stunning flowers that thrive in beds, borders, and containers. With proper care, they bloom for months. Gazania flowers are summer bloomers that thrive in the heat, keeping your garden bright and cheerful well into fall. Bromeliads, native to tropical and subtropical regions, have striking flowers that can last 2 to 3 weeks. They grow on other plants for support, making them unique additions to any space. Cone bushes are low-maintenance shrubs with pretty cone-shaped bracts that bloom for an extended time in red, orange, yellow, and white. Calla lilies have elegant trumpet-shaped flowers that bloom in spring, summer, and autumn. They last for weeks in a vase, making them perfect for floral arrangements. Frangipani is a tropical beauty with a sweet fragrance. These small trees are often grown for their ornamental appeal. Whirling butterflies, a delicate herbaceous perennial, produces graceful white flowers that bloom for days on end, adding a soft, airy touch to the garden. Sea lavender is a top choice for long-lasting bouquets. Even after cutting, these flowers remain fresh for weeks and can be dried for decorative use. Blanket flowers, or Gaillardia, bloom from early summer to fall. These daisy-like flowers are drought-tolerant and bring long-lasting color to your garden. Flame lilies, also called glory lilies, produce stunning red and yellow flowers on climbing vines that can reach up to 10 feet tall. Yucca plants feature sword-like leaves and tall spikes of white flowers. They require minimal care and thrive in gardens, lawns, and backyards. Lavender is not only known for its soothing fragrance, but also for its resilience. These soft-hued flowers can last a long time, making them a garden favorite. Kaffir lilies take their time to grow, but reward patience with long-lasting blooms that thrive in shaded areas. Peace lilies are one of the easiest plants to care for. Their glossy green leaves and elegant white flowers make them a perfect long-lasting choice for any home or garden. Hydrangeas are beloved for their large clustered blooms that appear in early summer and last through fall. As cut flowers, they stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Wax begonias are ideal for both sun and shade, requiring little maintenance while producing long-lasting flowers. Globe thistles, members of the sunflower family, have unique spherical blooms in blue, purple, or white. They last up to 8 weeks and attract beneficial pollinators. Sea holly thrives in sandy soil and full sun. These drought-tolerant flowers are stunning additions to garden borders, lasting for many days. Fuchsias are known for their dangling bicolored blooms in shades like pink and white, or hot pink and purple. They look amazing in hanging baskets, containers, and garden borders. Delphiniums have tall spikes of vibrant flowers that last up to 10 days when provided with proper watering and sunlight. Cranesbill, a type of hardy geranium, can bloom throughout the summer with the right care. Just give it 5 hours of daily sun and moist soil. Sunflowers take about a month to develop buds, but once they bloom, they can last anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, bringing cheerful golden hues to any space. If you want a garden that stays bright and colorful for weeks, these flowers are your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.